Yeah, good evening. Welcome, guys, to my channel. My name is BTC, and you're watching DegenPal. Please, I just want to do a quick video. Like, I just want to talk something that really happened on the crypto market right now. So, I just want to do a video on that side. Let me update you guys. If for those that really know me very well, you know that I'm a pure technical trader. Like, I trade purely technical analysis. I don't give a fuck of whatever the news is saying. Because I always believe in one thing: the chart doesn't lie no matter what. It doesn't lie no matter what. Okay, if you guys notice right now, like few minutes ago, or a few minutes ago, because this happened in the last 15 minutes. If you guys notice right now, a few minutes ago, BTC hit oh no, this one is very bad. Shit. The BTC actually hit 40, actually hit 64k. As you guys can see, the news, like, it really hit 54k. So people were expecting it to hit the all-time high, which was 66k. Understand? But if you actually look at it from this is 15-minute time frame, it hasn't last 30 minutes ago. It touched 64k last 15 minutes ago before it swooped down. It did what they call the liquidity sweep. Understand? It is what they call liquidity sweep. But that is what some people call it. But me personally, I don't call it a liquidity. I only call it a pullback. Now, okay, look at it now. If you look at the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has actually been, so I've come to notice Bitcoin, it's actually maintained a particular time frame or short time frame that doesn't make mistake, which is 4 hours time frame. Since I've known Bitcoin, it's actually maintained a 4 hours time frame, and most quality trades on Bitcoin actually happen on 4 hours time frame. Both the initial breakout, which was the one that took place at this one that took place at here, which is the 43k breakout, happened on 4 hours time frame. As you guys can see, it happened on 4 hours time frame. This one also happened on 4 hours time frame. Even the 30k breakout too, 30k to 34k breakout was 4 hours time frame, which actually dropped the signal. Then BTC has a quality signal on 4 hours time frame. Let me just explain what I was trying to say. As you guys can see, BTC has actually maintained a trend line, a particular trend line, right from the moment of Bitcoin, since the Bitcoin begins. You might not be able to understand how the whole line I'm doing on my chart. This is how I analyze my market. So please bear with me. So it's actually maintained a particular trend line, which is this trend line now. This particular trend line now. It has actually maintained it has actually maintained it right from beginning. Okay. So right here it broke out of that trend line. It broke out of that trend line on this 4 hours time frame. As you can see, it's actually retested it. Let me break it so you guys can see it clearly. It actually retested it on the 1 hour. As you can see, it retested it pulled back before it actually had the breakout. It retested it over and over and over before it now pulled out. Now it can't just pull out immediately and start going. It's not possible. Like, it's not possible. I don't know, but never I do my analysis, I always say it's not possible. I use my word. I'm not 100% certain naturally, but at least I'm 80% sure that it cannot happen. Understand? So when it broke out, this is the broke out. It has a close above, obviously. It has a small pullback, head up where like it's Bitcoin send it's send up all the way from 64. So we are all waiting for it to hit 66. Now, a lot of amateur traders actually FOMOing right here, thinking that it's going to send up. People are saying that it's going to hit 100k, blah blah. I think Bitcoin is going to have what they call liquidity sweep. For those that some people call it liquidity, me I call it a pullback. It's supposed to retest this trend line now, which is 57k before going up. So if it does not retest this trend line, I'm not going into this trade because I know that it will definitely anything can happen. Now it has retested, it came down to 58k. So we are still expecting it to come down to this 57k, and I'm sure before the end of today, it will come down to this 57k, which actually align with the 50 MA trend line and 50 MA rebound. Understand? So we have a lot of confidence here. It broke the trend line. This trend line has maintained this trend line. I can't just go back to history. I'll show you guys. This trend line has been there right from the beginning of Bitcoin. It has maintained this trend line. So it broke this trend line, and this trend line, breaking this trend line also, it need to retest. You cannot just break this trend line and continue going. It's supposed to retest this trend line. So retesting this trend line is also in confluence with the 50 MA rebound. Okay, so it can't just continue going up. It has to retest it. So we're actually waiting for it to retest it, which is liquidity sweep, and obviously it did it. It has actually done that in less than an hour. Right now it has whipped, it pulled back, and obviously it will still come down to this 57k, let's say from 58k, 57k region before I can be able to take off. So then after retesting this thing, we should be expecting Bitcoin to hit the all-time high and possibly break up the all-time high. But as long as it's not retest this trend line, obviously it's not going anywhere. So for me, I always advise people, technical analysis is the best. Like it's basically the best. If you know what you're doing technical analysis, you will hardly be wrong. The chart can never be wrong. The chart can never be wrong. It can never be wrong. Let me show you guys an example right now. Just hold on with me. Let me show you something. Hold on with me. Let me show you something. The network is very down. I don't know, but please bear with me. I don't know. I just want to do this, but if I don't do it now, I'm not able to do it again. So let me just do the video right now. Sorry, you guys can get what I'm trying to say. Okay. So please and please bear with me right now while we while we are waiting for the network to load. Please. I don't know. If you're patient enough, you can also bear with me. Now, okay, yeah. So what I was trying to show you guys was a lot of confluences that really align together. A lot of confluences that really align together. Now, okay. Oh gosh, network is very slow. I don't know. Like I'm using a network here in Nigeria, so it's very very slow. As you guys can see, this is the RSI, and that's making RSI divergence right from this 56k I was talking about. Right from the testing of this trend line, it's making RSI divergence, which is here. It's overbought. It's making divergence, making divergence, making divergence. It's overbought. So obviously, this overbought has to clear off for Bitcoin to be able to generate that momentum that it needs to strike the new all-time high. So without this overbought being clear off, and this as for the RSI, without testing this 50 MA, this MA rebound, without actually retesting this trend line that was broken, Bitcoin is absolutely not getting to that point which everybody is anticipating. I know the news is there, Bitcoin halving is coming, everything is coming, but obviously, no matter what, it will definitely have it. And secondly, you guys remember that Bitcoin ETF just got approved, which means that it gives room for professional traders to come into Bitcoin. So these professional traders, they acknowledge all these things. They don't just trade, they don't just promote, they acknowledge all these things. So they will definitely acknowledge it, and therefore it will definitely give Bitcoin a higher chance of making an appropriate movement or creating an appropriate path. So thank you guys. Thank you for staying with me. I just said let me just do this quick video so that a lot of people can actually understand what is really happening right now. So someone just DM me and saying that I thought you said Bitcoin just hit 4K. Right now I'm seeing that 60K. What is really happening? I told him that he will not understand. I'm actually heading to his place right now. Let me go and educate him, also explain to him. Okay, I actually had a losing streak on trading. I don't know, like I had a bad experience. I had it's personal life. Something happened to me, and it really affected me. Like I scared to come to the market to console myself, and it's really affected my trading. And since this week, started from Monday, I've been losing back to back to back to back to this today. So, and I've said to stay out of the market for the meantime. Let me be able to clear my head and get my bias right. So try to come back to the market. So thank you guys. I love you guys and enjoy yourself. Thank you so much. Please and please, if you find this content interesting, please do it to subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And if you also want to know more, you can also reach out to me. Please, my team is always open. Thank you.